Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Lukas Hassantii Tech. Today I will show you how to zip and extract files on your computer using the top 5 extraction tools. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So if you are new here guys, consider subscribing and let's dive straight. So the number one extraction tool is already on your PC. It's on any PC, any Windows PC. Okay, so the number one is File Explorer. Your File Explorer, this yellow folder you are seeing over there, File Explorer. Now how we can use File Explorer to zip our file and extract our file. So that's what we are going to learn. So to zip our files, just go to your file. For example, mine here, let me make it a bit larger so you guys can see very well. Okay, let's go like this. So I want to zip this CV. So you right click on it and go to show more option, because this is our Windows 11. If it was Windows 10, you will see this option direct. So go to send to and compress zip file. As you can see, it will zip your file and ask you to change the name. So like for example, I can say Lukas TV. We have zip our first file. So to extract file, to extract it, so you have to right click again, or select it like this, right click and go to show more options, and you can see here extract all. When you click that, it will ask you for the destination where you want to extract. For my case, I will be extracting in the same folder, which is desktop, the same path. Okay, so I click extract and wait. As you can see here, this is our extracted file here. You see, this is the zip file, this is the extracted file. So that's how we use Windows Explorer to extract and unzip files. So let's go to the number 2. Our number 2 on the list is 7zip. 7zip is a free open source software that we use to zip and extract files. So to get 7zip, first off we head over to our favorite browser and go to 7zip or 7zip.org, www.7zip.org. I will place the link in the description, don't worry. So here you can see the different download option. Okay, here we have the 64 base and the 32 base. So I'm going with the 64 base because my PC is 64 and yours might be 64 too. So click here, download, and wait for it. So this may differ based on your internet, but for my case, my internet is kind of fast. So here I've downloaded it successfully. So right click, open when done, because I want it to open automatically when it's finished downloading. So of course here install it like this, click install, and your 7zip is already installed. So close, and let's use 7zip to zip our file now, the same way we did for Windows Explorer. Right click, this time around we are using picture. Right click your favorite picture or file or folder, show more option because this is Windows 11, and go to 7zip and add archive or compress to Lukas blah 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 blah. Add to Lukas blah 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 7zip. So I recommend you add this, add to Lukas 7zip, because it will use the name to save or to zip it. So click it direct and wait for it. Look at our zip file with Lukas, stuff like that. So in order to unzip, also right click it and go to show more option, go to 7zip, and you can see extract file. Okay, now if you use this extractor Lukas, it will save it with the same name, which is actually cool. That's how I do always. So, or you can use extract here if you want to extract it into the same path, like the same place. For my case, it's my desktop. So if I want to do it on my desktop, I will click extract file or extract here. So if I want to extract it elsewhere, I'll click extract file and we ask me where I want to do so. For me, I'm clicking extract here, as you can see, because it has the same name. That was the reason. Of course, I have to agree or I'll auto rename it, which is actually cool. I have auto rename it. That's one advantage of 7-zip. So that's our number 2. The number 3 here we have is the most popular one I have ever known about, which is the WinRAR. WinRAR, of course. In order to download WinRAR, of course, if you head over to www.winrar.com/download or stuff like that, www.winrar.com, so you will see this display, and when you see this, just go down like this one and select your version. For this video, on the time of this video, the latest version is 7.3 for 64 bits, okay, which is English. Of course, we have different languages. So for my case, I'm using English. So click on this one, wait for a few seconds, and it's downloading. Wait for it. Of course, I right click again, open when done. Of course, yes, go yes. It's easy to install actually. And so do this one. Okay, that you can do it later, and click done. Yes, we are done with that. We head over to our desktop again. Now we are CV again. We are using WinRAR. Okay, so let's use my CV. Right click here, my CV or whatever document you have, guys. It doesn't matter as far as it's files or folder, okay, or even software. So right click my CV. As you can see, WinRAR is already here. Click it and it's show you many options. So add to archive is the same as that one. To zip it, add to my CV, that is just like it will save the name of the file with the zip folder, so which is actually very cool because you don't have to bother renaming it. So I click on it and this is it. As you can see here, look at it. So right click, go to WinRAR again in order to unzip, and you can see extract file, or you can extract to the same folder. For my case here, I'm using the extract file and I will choose destination, which is desktop, and click OK. I will overwrite or I rename them. As you can see, this is it. This is the original file. This is the one I have zip and unzip. Look at it, my CV OG bracket 1, because it has the same name already, so it's automatically renamed it. That's the good aspect of them. So the number 4 on the list is PeaZip. A PeaZip also is a free open source software we use to zip and unzip our files and folders. So let me first remove this the files like these two. Let me delete them. Okay, so in order to have PeaZip, head over to your favorite browser again and go to PeaZip.com. PeaZip.com, and you will see this display here. Now we have PeaZip 64 bits. Of course, my PC is running on 64 bits, so I just have to click that one, and it's downloading. As you can see, it's 10.8 megabytes, which is actually very cool. Wait for it. I have to right click, open when done again. So As you can see, yes, I'm installing PeaZip now on my PC. Accept, next. Of course, you can. I love to go with the standard installation, so yes. Of course, it's similar to WinRAR, so just go next, install, and that's it, finish. Let's go to our files again. It's created an icon, of course, a shortcut. So now we are using a folder now this time now. So this is my folder. I will right click my folder, I go to show more option, and you can see PeaZip over here, and add to zip. If you want, you can encrypt it. Encryption actually means to give it a password, but for this tutorial we're just going to do the basic one. Okay, so add to zip and wait for it. It has already added. Look at it here, as you can see. So PeaZip is actually very fast in this. So in order to extract using zip, the PeaZip, also right click the file, go to more option, go to PeaZip and extract. As you can see, you can select your the destination or the part where you want to extract your file. So for this one, I'll be doing it on desktop, so I click OK, and it will ask, it's prompting up because they have the same name, the original document and the zip document. So I will just say, let me decide for each. So leave one behind, and it's already here. As you can see, PeaZip is actually very cool. The last but not the least, it's Bandizip. Of course, Bandizip tool is open source. It's actually free. All this stuff I'm showing you, they are free. They have a free version because WinRAR goes with a premium version, but actually you can use that without even thinking. It requires, or it has a paid version. So now, in order to download the Bandizip, head over to your browser again and go to this website called bandizipsoft.com. Of course, this is the display, and let's say free download. As you can see, wait for it to download. Network. Of course, 0.0 megabytes, so it's gonna be super fast. Like this. Go. Okay, and we are done here. So right click, open window. So let's wait for it and click yes. Now we have the professional, which is payable. We have the free, so go the free version, install, and wait for it. It's a quick installation, user friendly. Wait for it. It was closed. Our installation was completed successfully. Now let's apply now. Okay, so now archive, new archive, stuff like that. So yeah, it's actually very cool because look at it, look at the display. Now if I want to zip by using it, I just click new zip on the new compression file, zip blah blah blah, add the file. I go to desktop and choose let's say this time now we are going with the Lukas on YouTube. It's already here, so I click start and archive is completed successfully. Close. So this is my file I have I've already encrypted or zipped. So in order to extract it, you can see here extract. I can click extract and choose my destination, click OK. It asks me to overwrite all this blah 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 because it's already here. So let's say rename, and this is it. As you can see, this is the original picture, this is the extracted one. I've already done. So guys, and that's it. Now you can zip and extract file easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.